Stop wasting your time by money hacks. In this video, I'm going to talking with you about some AI scams by which people say that by which you can usually create money while you're sleeping, even though it's less hard work for you, even though it's just a copy paste work, but you can earn millions in the year. This is a real scam for you, and it can also harm your data as well, even though your data privacy. For this type of money, sometimes you have to give allow lots of permissions, and by these permissions it usually take out a lot of data from your mobile, from your desktop, from your laptop, tablet, whatever the devices are. So in this video I'm going to talking with you about those fake scams, money scams, by which people promising you that you can earn $200 daily by this while you are sleeping. You can make $10,000 monthly while you're sleeping. You needn't to work. You don't need to work, something like this. By those AIs, they just give you some money, but they take away a lot of data from you, which is very much harmful for you. So in this video, I'm going to talking with about regarding to these things. Here in this video, I will show you 3 fake things. What you think about that? It's making you money, but it doesn't. I'm Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting this video, I'm requesting you guys, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then I'm requesting please subscribe. If you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So first of all, this is the copy paste blogs. In the AI world, lots of people thinking that there is lots of auto posted, copy posted, lots of blog websites, or lots of blog AI engines by which you just tell them, please make me a blog and I will copy and paste it into my website. Even though WordPress has lots of plugins by which auto posting plugins, it will auto post a lots of articles for you on behalf of you while you are sleeping. Like they can also have that capability to write 100 types of different articles for you every day, but it doesn't work for you because everything is just like a robot making. And here on the blog, you need something at least write by yourself. In the last video, I show you how you can do it by ChatGPT, but it doesn't mean that you just copy it there from and then just paste it there and that's all. You have to write it something from yourself, even though you have to do some changes there as well, what I usually suggest you there. So that's why it doesn't mean that it will take out your jobs really. It will help you, it will make your work more faster, but it doesn't mean that it will do a lots of things on behalf of the people. The next thing, while you're sleeping, it will earn money for you. There is some click things where you are clicking and it's showing ads or doing some ads, doing more things, and it's earning money on behalf of you. It doesn't mean that it will make money every day, $200 for you. It will make maybe $1, highly $2 every day by this, but it's not real thing, because clicking and it will make you auto click or auto clickable, something like this. It cannot be possible to make you money, because here where the works are very less or less harder work, there the money pay also be very less. You have to keep in mind that the work you harder or the work you smarter, then you can earn money. The work you smartless or hardless work, it won't give you money. The number 3, this is the AI generated video in YouTube. Some people say that, yeah, we have now AI videos. Now we can create lots of video every day and then we will publish it in the YouTube and then we can earn money. You can obviously show your creativity by the video creation, but it doesn't mean that you will do a lots of things by AI videos and then you will put it to the YouTube. And sometimes YouTube also thinking that it's AI generated video, robotic generated video, and there is no any type of crunchiness, no any type of context of this video. That time YouTube also die this video, kill this video, or derank this video after uploading of 2 or 3 days. Suppose you upload a AI video and it's getting lots of views, but after 2 or 3 days you will see that there is a zero views, because YouTube think that it's not a real content. And still now I also face that when YouTube, you at least have to show your face to the camera, or you at least have to your real voice, so that YouTube understand it's real. Otherwise, if you make a lots of things by AI, lots of things, but it won't get monetized here. So these are the things. But don't think that AI taken our jobs. AI here to make you work faster, to help you, to provide you more concept, to provide you lots of concepts there. And by these concepts, you can just serialize it and make one thing bigger. But you have to work hard, you have to do something more, even though you have to use your own brain as well. I used to ask AI what video will be better for me, but it doesn't mean that I will do all the concepts from there for you. So this is the thing, guys. I hope you understand, guys. If you are still now on those scam, please stay away from those, because I think your all the data will be leaked for the AI, because you have chatted a lot with this AI, even though you give a lots of permissions. And in this time, AI may take your all the data from you as well, from your mobile. It can also take your mobile gallery photos. It can also take away your contact numbers and lots of things. And now you know the data market is how much rich it is. So guys, I hope you understand. Now it's your turn. Now guys, it's your turn. I hope you understand this video. Still now, if you like this video, then I request you please like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks a lot. So guys, no more today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care. Have a nice day.